Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, today I will show you how to create Windows 11 bootable USB drive on your Mac. This is the easiest method to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive on your Mac. So let's get started. Step number 1. Download the Windows 11 ISO file. Link in the video description. If you already have a Windows 11 ISO file, you can feel free to skip the first step. Step number 2. Download the vimlib imagex package. Link in the video description. After downloading, open vimlib imagex package folder. Right-click on pack.command file and choose Open. Click on the Open button. Wait for the process to complete. When the process is complete, close the terminal app. Now double-click and install the vimlib package file on your Mac. Type your admin password and hit the Enter key to install this software. After installation, just close this window. Now we are ready to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive on our Mac. Just plug your USB drive into your Mac and run the Create USB Win 11 app. Click the OK button. If the disk utility app launch automatically, then that's good. Otherwise, launch the disk utility app. Click on the View icon and select Show All Devices. Now select the upper level of your USB drive and click on Erase button. From the Format drop-down menu, select MS-DOS. And from the Scheme drop-down menu, select Master Boot Record. If you want, you can give any name to your USB drive. Everything is okay. Now hit the Erase button. After erasing the USB drive, click on Done button and close the Disk Utility app. Now you will see a dialog box. Here, select carefully your USB drive and click on the OK button. Click on OK if any access is required. Now browse the Windows 11 ISO file from your computer and click on Choose. That's all. This process will take some time, depending on your USB speed. Maybe the process stuck at 80%, but don't worry, it's normal. Please don't close the window. After some time you will get this message. Now Windows 11 bootable USB is ready to use. Let's check. Wanna learn more? Please subscribe MZ Learning YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.